Welcome the R channel. Today we how to automate market reports with RPR step by step clearly. Open your RPR dashboard. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the reports section. Select the type of market report you want to generate. Click on Create New Report. Choose the geographic area you wish to analyze. Adjust the date range for the report. Select the data points you want to include. Customize the report template if needed. Review your selections for accuracy. Locate the automation settings in the report options. Toggle on the automation feature. Set the frequency for report generation. Enter the recipient's email addresses for report distribution. Save your automation settings. Review all information before finalizing. Click Generate Report to create the first instance. Check your email for the confirmation of the report. Monitor the reports arriving on schedule as specified. Adjust any settings if necessary to better suit your needs. Enjoy the convenience of automated market reports with RPR. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.